Hi everyone, and welcome to this week's episode of Science Today. Today, we will discuss the 10 latest research and advancements in environmental science, including climate change, conservation, and sustainability. Climate change. Climate change is one of the most pressing global issues of our time. Research and advancements in this field are crucial for understanding the causes and impacts of this phenomenon and developing effective strategies for addressing it. In recent years, significant advances have been made in the field of climate science, including developing new technologies for monitoring and measuring atmospheric conditions and using advanced computer models to simulate and predict future climate scenarios. Research has also demonstrated the critical role of human activities, such as the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation, in driving climate change. This has led to a growing recognition of the need for collective action to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and transition to a low-carbon economy. Advances in renewable energy technologies, such as wind and solar power, have also been a critical area of focus in the fight against climate change. These technologies have become increasingly cost-competitive and widely adopted, promising a more sustainable energy future. Finally, there has been growing interest in the potential of carbon capture and storage technologies to help reduce emissions from heavy industry and other sources. While these technologies are still in the early stages of development, they hold great promise for mitigating the impacts of climate change in the coming decades. Conservation. Conservation is a rapidly evolving field, with new research and advancements always being made. One of the latest developments in conservation is the use of technology to help protect and preserve the world's natural resources. For example, remote sensing technologies such as satellite imagery and drones are now being used to monitor and track wildlife populations, assess the health of ecosystems, and detect and respond to environmental threats. In addition, using artificial intelligence and machine learning is also becoming increasingly popular in conservation, allowing researchers to analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns and trends more efficiently and effectively. Researchers are also exploring the role of conservation in mitigating the effects of climate change, such as reforestation and other land management practices to absorb and store carbon from the atmosphere. Overall, the latest advancements in conservation research are helping to inform and improve our understanding of the world's natural systems and to develop new and innovative solutions to the challenges of preserving the planet's biodiversity and ecosystems for future generations. Sustainability. Sustainability is about balancing economic, social, and environmental needs. The latest research has shown that sustainable practices, such as renewable energy and conservation, can help mitigate climate change's impact and promote long-term economic growth. Renewable energy. Renewable energy has been a rapidly growing field in recent years. Researchers and engineers are constantly working to develop new and innovative technologies to harness clean and sustainable energy sources. Some of the latest advancements in renewable energy include advanced solar panels. Researchers are developing new materials and designs for solar panels that can convert sunlight into electricity more efficiently, which can help to reduce the cost of solar energy and increase its overall competitiveness. Offshore wind turbines. The offshore wind industry is experiencing a growth spurt, with the development of more giant, more efficient turbines that can harness the strong winds over the ocean. Energy storage systems. Researchers are developing new energy storage systems, such as batteries and flow batteries, that can store excess renewable energy for later use, making it easier to integrate renewable energy into the grid. Biomass energy. Biomass energy, which involves using organic matter, such as crops and waste, to generate energy, is being explored to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and create a more sustainable energy mix. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy, which involves harnessing heat from the Earth's core, is being developed as a reliable and sustainable energy source, particularly in areas with high geological activity. These advancements in renewable energy are helping to make clean and sustainable energy more accessible and affordable. They are essential in the transition to a low-carbon energy future. Ocean acidification. Ocean acidification is a major environmental issue causing significant harm to marine ecosystems and threatening the livelihoods of coastal communities. The latest research and advancements in this field have shed new light on the causes, impacts, and potential solutions to ocean acidification. Scientists have discovered that the oceans are becoming more acidic as they absorb increasing amounts of carbon dioxide, CO2, from the atmosphere, causing a decrease in the pH levels of seawater. Recent research has also shown that ocean acidification affects entire ecosystems, from the tiniest organisms at the bottom of the food chain to the largest predators at the top. The latest advancements in ocean acidification research also provide new insights into the potential consequences of this problem for global food security and the economic and social impacts on coastal communities that depend on fishing and other ocean-based industries. Biodiversity. Biodiversity, or the variety of life on Earth, is a critical aspect of our planet's ecosystem and plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy and sustainable environment. In recent years, a growing body of research has focused on understanding and preserving biodiversity, and numerous advancements have been made in this field. One area of focus has been the development of new technologies and techniques for monitoring and measuring biodiversities, such as remote sensing, DNA barcoding, and advanced statistical models. These tools have allowed scientists to gather more comprehensive and accurate data on the distribution and abundance of species, which is critical for practical conservation efforts. Additionally, there has been growing interest in the role of biodiversity in providing ecosystem services, such as pollination, pest control, and water purification, and the importance of preserving these services for human well-being. Deforestation. Deforestation is a major global issue that significantly impacts the environment, wildlife, and human populations. In recent years, there has been a growing body of research aimed at understanding the causes and consequences of deforestation and developing effective strategies for mitigating its impacts. One area of research that has gained traction in recent years is using satellite imagery and remote sensing technologies to monitor deforestation and track its progress over time. These tools allow researchers to map and quantify the extent of deforestation in real time, providing valuable data that can inform conservation efforts and policy decisions. Another area of research that has gained attention is agroforestry and sustainable land use practices to mitigate the impacts of deforestation. These practices aim to balance the needs of human populations with the need to conserve forests and their ecosystems. For example, some researchers are exploring the use of agroforestry systems that integrate food production with forest conservation, allowing farmers to manage their land while also preserving forested areas sustainably. Water scarcity. Water scarcity is a growing concern globally, as the water demand continues to outstrip its supply. In recent years, an increasing body of research has been dedicated to finding solutions to the water scarcity crisis. One of the latest advancements in this field is the development of new technologies for water treatment and purification. These technologies include advanced membrane filtration systems, nanotechnology-based water purification methods, and low-energy desalination processes. Another area of research is focused on improving water management practices, such as reducing water waste, improving irrigation efficiency, and developing sustainable water supply systems. Another promising area of research is the development of sustainable agriculture practices that use less water, such as precision agriculture, conservation agriculture, and drought-resistant crops. Soil health. Soil health is a critical aspect of sustainable agriculture and environmental management, as it plays a vital role in crops' growth and productivity and ecosystems' overall health. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in understanding and improving soil health, leading to numerous advancements and innovations. One of the latest developments in soil health research is using advanced technologies such as soil sensors, drones, and remote sensing to gather data and monitor soil conditions. This information is then used to develop precision agriculture practices that can improve soil health and enhance crop yields. Another critical area of research is using cover crops and other agroforestry practices to increase soil organic matter and improve soil structure. Additionally, scientists are exploring using microbes and other beneficial organisms to promote soil health and support plant growth. This involves understanding the complex relationships between plants, soil, and the microbiome and developing strategies to enhance soil health and promote sustainable agriculture. Waste management. Waste management is a critical issue that has gained increased attention in recent years due to the growing concerns about environmental sustainability and public health. Research and advancements in waste management have led to the development of new technologies and approaches to addressing this challenge. For example, there has been significant progress in developing recycling and composting technologies that allow for the recovery of valuable resources from waste and reduce waste generation. There has also been a growing interest in developing smart waste management systems that use sensors, data analytics, and other technologies to optimize waste collection and processing. Additionally, there has been an increasing focus on implementing circular economy principles in waste management, which aim to minimize waste generation and increase the use of recycled materials. In recent years, there has also been a growing awareness of the importance of waste management in developing countries. As a result, there have been efforts to improve waste management practices in these regions through education, infrastructure development, and implementing sustainable waste management practices. Environmental science is a rapidly advancing field, and the latest research provides us with new insights and solutions to some of the biggest challenges facing our planet. Thank you for watching, and be sure like, comment, share and subscribe, and remember to tune in next week for another episode of ScienceNet.